Hi, I'm Steve. I'm with i94rv, and this is a 2004 Lexington 270G. This is by Forest River. So this coach is probably about 28, 29 feet long. It's got 26,000 miles on it. Drives beautiful. So nice used piece. Let's take a walk around it. We're going to sell this RV as is, so it means we're going to let the future owner check it out. A couple chips there. But it looks good. The paint looks good. The sidewalls look good. The previous owner said they replaced the awning fabric, so it looks clean on the outside. We haven't had it out though. Tires ran and drove nice. I'm not sure the age of them, but the tread looks good and the sidewalls look good. I got some full pass-through storage on this RV. And there's a little bit of wear and tear on the compartments, but nothing major. This is really cool. This thing comes with a tow bar, and there's actually the car mount is in the storage. So that's kind of rare. The back wall looks good. So I think there's a little crack here. That's actually just a scratch. Here's the other side of the pass-through storage. So that goes through nicely. And then on this side you got your fuel fill, your sewer tank. I noticed this docking light or scare light is kind of rusty. So that's just the frame of the light. We've had the slide room in and out multiple times, works great. And it looks like the slide topper's in good shape. So behind here is an Onan micro quiet, and it's got 70 hours on it, and we tried to start it, it did not turn over. So the cab looks really good. The whole coach looks good in terms of rust. No rust underneath, or it's very clean underneath, and the engine bay is the same way. Looks nice and clean. All right, let's take a look inside. We got a nice electric step. Okay, this RV is probably the biggest issue it's got. It's just had where the ceilings had a little bit of leakage, and so probably the headliner was coming down. The previous owner removed it. So this could be a nice, easy fix. Like you fix this up, and this thing could be really pretty again. Okay, so the front end, the cab area looks just gorgeous. The wood inlay looks cool, but the seats are all in good shape. The carpet is, shows some wear and tears, got some stains, but overall it doesn't look too bad. Got a nice big sofa here, a little closet storage. Whoops. So there's like a pantry there. And then got entertainment system and the kitchen, real cool. You got upper cabinets here, microwave is here, range top, sink, and then probably a 6 cubic foot fridge. It's all nice and clean. And then there's some more storage here. This is like a shirt closet. It's got a little cedar liner in there. And so here's your commode and then a shower. So this all looks nice in here. I got some room. I'm 5'11", so I can at least stand up in here. One thing is these RVs tend to have issues above the skylights in the shower. This all looks solid. All right, so nice built-in medicine cabinet, solid surface counter for the sink. So that's nice. And you got a walk-around bed here. There's this whole back half, or the rest of this RV, I should say, is all solid. Like looking in all these back walls, the ceiling, this wall here, everything looks really solid. And there's a little bit of service access under the bed there, so you can do your winterizing, and water tanks there. All right, let's go take this for a drive. All right, we're driving in the Lexington. We're on the entrance ramp to the highway, and I'm just gonna give it full throttle and show you what it's got. All right, I gotta tell you, this RV has phenomenal power. All right, 65 miles an hour, no problem. Goes nice and straight down the road. It doesn't have any vibrations. So this is not the first time we've driven this RV, and I can tell you the steering, the brakes, the transmission, the engine, they all feel great in this coach. So whoever gets this RV is going to love it.